Today we're going to change oil this Ford Focus 2011 titanium Focus. Okay, so let's start. So as you can see, there is a switch here. So it says there, yeah, engine oil change due. So we need to change the oil now. Okay. So basically, we'll open this thing. Oh my gosh, it's soaking oil there. Open this thing. Open that. And also this thing should be open. So next step is we'll taking out this one as well. This one. So once that open, we can so I don't know why it's leaking oil there, but something is not right here. But anyway, so put that. So you can see this oil filter there. Yeah, that one. Oil canister. So if we open that, then we'll be able to change the filter. Alright, so bear with me, I will get the tools. It's 27. This one. It's 27 there. But we need a proper ratchet for that. So this is the special ratchet to open it. Turn it to counterclockwise, clockwise, yeah, and then open. So if that is open, So as you can see, this is the you see that? So that is the oil canister. We need to change this. I'll show you how to change that. So this is the oil filter. Okay. We do it like this. Okay. Take this out. And you see this? You need to pull this out. Sometimes this needs yeah, see that? Just pull that and then make sure you should the o-ring there. Change this thing. Okay. And then as you can see, this is the thing. You should put a lubricant there, and then there's a new gasket. You should put lubricant as well. And put it like this. Yeah, okay. You see the snug there? And then pull this thing. Align it. Make sure it's in the right place. Make sure it's not twisted. So I think it's okay now. So now we bring this back. We can put this later on. So this is going. Make sure you aim this thing on the proper place. This one. Okay. We're draining the oil and then we will put the filter. That's nice. Okay, now we can put back the filter. So now we can put back the